Good morning, it's me, Mark. I'm here at home at my bedroom. I'm about to get ready, start the day. I want to get dressed, get my kids dressed, drop my older boy to the school bus, get my little guy dressed so we can get some breakfast and then head out because it's going to be a busy day. I got to go drop off packages. First, I got to thank my customers, drop off packages, and then go pick up packages from the post office. All in one shot. I got one of my suppliers already shipped my units to me. This is part one of part two, maybe part three. Part one is receiving my units from one supplier. Part two is receiving my other units from my other supplier and then putting them together. So, and then part three is pretty much just another small supplier that just pretty much gets my tags and my stickers to put it in my packages. I do this all myself just so then I discussed in one of my older videos, just so that I'm different. If I'm selling one thing and other people are selling the same thing, I think differently and I want to contact other suppliers so I can get everything differently and put it all in a bundle, just so I stand out, stick out, and people would buy it from me because they're getting more value. It's just something for you guys to think about. It's kind of like a show and tell, but I won't reveal my units, my products, just because, you know, the moment I reveal my products, I can kiss my profits goodbye. It'll just be a copy and paste. The market's going to get oversaturated. Everyone's selling the same thing. So I kind of keep that on. I keep that different. But guys, let me get dressed. Okay, let me just move the car for this quick recording. Good morning, guys. So let me just do this quickly because I do want to head out, get started. I'm hungry. So it's a nice day. It's a nice morning. Hi. All right, let me set up the camera so I can do my little show and tell. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I'm here at my garage / storage unit / warehouse / yada 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 yada. It's been a long time that I recorded here in this style of setup, showing you my items, showing you some of the products that I get in from my overseas supplier. Before I get into all that, this is what I do full time. I love it. I enjoy it. It's the great way to make income for yourself, but also at the same time spend time with the family. My older boy's at school. Meanwhile, the younger one is with me, and I'm teaching him how, you would say, how to negotiate and how to do deals. But I mean, he's still too young to understand, but he understands that his father, when he goes to stores, is because of work. He already has a sense of idea that when I see a product, he says, for customers. So he understands that I buy things for customers, because he's always asking. When I pick up an item, this was about like last year, he would say, Daddy, can I have that? And then I'll tell him, no, this is for customers. This is for customers. So now each time we go to a Target, Lowe's, Walmart, wherever I do business, when I find an item, he already understands it's for customers. My kids are inside. Let me just do this quickly because I'm always on a time crunch. That's why when I record my videos, you always see me talking fast. I'm out of breath. It's because I'm moving on to the next. So I have to say everything I can say within a short matter of time. But all right, guys, let's get started with the items. These are items that sold from 4 in the afternoon yesterday till last night, maybe till 2 in the morning. Yeah, about 2, 3 in the morning, because that's the time I was up till. So let's see. Now, please excuse me, I can't remember some of the items here. But I'll just say the first name and their location, and then I'll show an image of what they purchased. Laura from Texas. Thank you, Laura. You should be getting this in 2 or 3 days. I'm trying to remember what this is. Yeah, I do remember this one. Mark from Wisconsin. Thank you for your purchase of note cards. This is very nice. I've had this for a while, actually. I had this for about 8 to 9 months, and it finally sold. I was actually thinking of just taking it out and using it because these are like special thank you note cards. Ralph from Indianapolis. Yes, thank you. This is a chin strap. Thank you for your purchase. Your whole family's gonna thank you for wearing it if it's for yourself. Tamara from Massachusetts. Thank you. This is the item that you use for babies when the baby's growing between infancy to like the first year. You lay them on a blanket and it indicates how many months they are from the first month, second month. It has like these little markers. Well, thank you, Tamara. I hope you enjoy it. This is Kevin from Missouri. Thank you, Kevin. This is a Fossil sunglasses. Now, I'm fortunate enough that I live 20 minutes away from an outlet, a clothing outlet, where they have Nike, North Face, Fossil, Guess, Express, all this stuff. This year, I promised myself that I'm gonna get more heavily involved in going there and buying things. I know I should have done this 2 years ago when I started. It's just that I had to transition first where I was 2 years ago to where I am now. Now I'm more comfortable going there because now I pretty much already have all my items planned out where if I'm running low, I can just replenish and get more because I know where to get them. And now I'm moving on to something else. Thank you, Kevin. This is Ben from Pennsylvania. You're not that far from me. Ben, this is a chin strap. I hope it's useful for you and your family. But you guys are going to love it because it does work. Just a matter of how strong your strength is in snoring or a new one for your significant other. Wade from Florida. Wade, this is another chin strap. Thank you for your purchase. Bless your family. Whoever's ever using it, they're gonna stop snoring and everyone's gonna be happy. Oh, my light just went off. Okay, this is Oral from Puerto Rico, excuse me. O-R-L is her first name, so I'm not sure if I'm saying it correct. Oral from PR. Thank you. This is the compression socks. Thank you. Now here's a big boy. Peter from New York. Thank you for your order. This is a 25-pounder. These are oil. I heavily packaged these. These will, I just need to go get a fragile sticker from the post office and let them know that this is glass. Thank you, Peter. You should be getting this tomorrow, actually. Let's move forward to these. Why do I have these here? All right, these came in a bigger box. I just decided to take them out because now they're loose and I can move them around for storage. But these are the items. This is part 1, and I'm picking up another part 1 today. I'm still waiting for part 2. Part 1 means it's one of my first suppliers, buy products overseas. And then I have another supplier from overseas, which is my part 2. And then I bundle these items together. And then I have a small part 3, which is the stickers, the tags, the labels, to make these packaging, all these units come into one, like a kit. See, if you go online and you decide to start your own business, which, you know, if you're comfortable doing and you see that you found a product that you know is selling well, you go ahead and find ways to get that a lot cheaper. And if you have more capital, the more you buy, the less they are, and there's a great advantage for you because then you know they're selling, and the more you can buy and the cheaper they are, the more profit that you could gain. But then you want to take it to the next step. The next step is once you know they're selling consistently, but you know there's competitors out there because they're also selling the same thing or something similar, you want to stand out. And then you start involving yourself, taking the time to realize the product that you're selling, and you want to be different. You want to be different from your competitors. You want to stick out. So what you do is you look at that product, that unit that you're selling, and you think to yourself, how can I make this better? If I can't make it better, how can I improve the unit itself? Do I get a better box for it? Do I put something inside of it that makes it different? So I always use the concept of toothbrushes. You sell toothbrushes and they're selling always, every day, continuously. And there's other competitors out there doing the same thing. Probably the best one they're selling is the blue brush, and you got the red brush. But now you want to be different, and you decide to do the same and get the blue one. But now you put them in a kit together and you sell them. You put them, you buy a different product and you put it into the toothbrush, and now your products are different because they're combined with a different packaging, adding more value. Guys, let me go because I have to get out of here. I'll catch you guys in the next one. But thank you for watching. I will record part 2 on my other units, and I'm not going to open these up to show what I have. I'm sorry. I just don't want to do that. But just want to talk about my line of business and how I do it. Guys, thank you for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.